I know the moment when your life stops adding up. It's 3 a.m. You're staring into the dark, chest tight, breath heavy. You already know what your bank account says, zero, or worse. Calls from unknown numbers feel like threats. Every ring is another reminder. You're drowning, and the water is rising. Wall Street doesn't see you, the system doesn't care, but I do. And this is where you start. First, cut out the poison. Being broke is not a moral failure, it's math. Bad math, yes, but fixable. You were dropped into a system designed to confuse you, tempt you, trap you. Credit before knowledge, consumption before discipline. You made mistakes, but the game was rigged. Still, here's the truth you can't escape. No one is coming, no bailout, no miracle, no lucky break. If you want out, you become your own rescue. Start by facing reality, no more hiding. Tonight, you sit down and drag every number into the light. Every bill, every account, every ugly digit. That number isn't your identity, it's your enemy. And the moment you face it, the fear begins to shrink. Because the unknown is always worse than the truth. Zero isn't failure. Zero is freedom. But first, you stop the bleeding. Cut everything, ruthlessly. Subscriptions, takeout, status purchases, gone. That car payment? It's not a flex, it's an anchor. Sell it. Downgrade. Simplify. You are no longer living for appearances. You are in survival mode. People will mock you. Let them. They're trapped in the same system you're escaping. Discipline will isolate you. But isolation is the price of control. Every rupee you save becomes a weapon. Aim it at your highest interest debt. Attack relentlessly. It won't be fast. It won't be glamorous. But one day you'll open your account and see zero. And it will feel like oxygen. No more interest choking you. No more collectors. For the first time, you own your life. Now the real game begins. You have no money, but you still have something powerful. Time. Every day gives you 24 hours. 8 for work. 8 for sleep. That leaves 8. And just 4 of them can change everything. Those 4 hours are your escape fund. Waste them scrolling, gaming, numbing yourself, and you stay broke. Protect them like your life depends on it, and it just might save it. Lock the door. Kill the distractions. Sit in silence. It will feel uncomfortable at first. Your brain will beg for escape. Ignore it. Because on the other side of that discomfort is clarity. This is where you stop consuming and start building. Learn a skill that makes you hard to replace. Because the market doesn't pay effort, it pays rarity. If anyone can do your job, you're invisible. If few can, you become valuable. You don't need a degree. You need leverage. Pick one skill, coding, marketing, analysis, a specialized trade, and go all in. For 6 months, you grind in silence. No applause, no results, just growth. Then everything flips. You stop selling hours and start selling solutions. And solutions pay. That's how you earn your first real money, your first R1000, your first $1,000. And that moment will change you, because for the first time you didn't trade time, you created value. But this is where most people fall. The moment you earn, a voice will whisper, "You deserve this. Spend it." That voice is the trap. Ignore it. Stay disciplined. Live like you're still broke. Reinvest everything. Skills, tools, growth. Protect your money like it's oxygen, because now you're building momentum. A small snowball, fragile, but real. Protect it, grow it, and it becomes unstoppable. Rs $1,000 becomes Rs 10,000, then Rs 1 lakh, then more. And suddenly, money works harder than you do. That's freedom. Here's the truth most people miss. If you build this from zero, you become unbreakable. Lose everything tomorrow? You won't panic, because you understand the system. You built it once, you can build it again, faster. They can take your money. They cannot take your mind. The system wants you tired, distracted, in debt. It wants you to fear zero, but zero isn't the end. Zero is the reset, the clean slate, the starting line. So stop numbing yourself. Stop paying the ego tax. Take back your time. Build your leverage. Protect your momentum. The door is open. Climb out.